Hello everyone, David here at Showdown. Just going to do a quick little walk around here. This is a 2003 Ford Lightning SVT F-150. It's black. It's got all the orange. That was painted on by the owner. He's got a bunch of Harleys. He was kind of going after that theme, but neat truck overall. Factory 18-inch SVT, aluminum wheels, got Goodyear Eagles on it. It's got 69,000 miles. It's got the hard shell tonneau cover on it. It's got the upgraded tail lights with the LED lights in it. It does have the factory tow package. Just a neat truck. Exhaust has been all upgraded to the Flowmaster system, front to back. It's got full length tube headers on it. Interior is all original, beautiful shape. It's got all your factory power options, factory CD player, factory gauges, all your power windows, locks and mirrors. Truck's always been garage kept. Beautiful body, really nice paint. Nice windshield, no stone chips. Does have the cold air intake. It runs and drives really nice. No squeaks, no rattles, everything works in it. Just a nice little truck. Upgraded the grill. It's got a billet aluminum grill in it now. Put the chrome door handles on it and the tailgate handles. Just a neat truck. Air conditioning blows ice cold. It runs and drives perfect. Got a manual that goes with the original brochure. It's never been smoked in, none of that kind of stuff. It's a nice clean truck. Rear slider window. Like I said, it's got the hard shell tonneau on it. Got a car cover that goes with it. Does have the bed mat in it, the bed rug. Original exhaust manifolds go with it. If you got any questions at all, call David or Ron at Showdown. 586-791-0778 or go to our website, showdownauto.com. Thank you.